You can soon start producing Weta quality VFX from home. And if you buy a brush and easel, you can soon start producing Michelangelo quality from home as well. Let's talk about some 3D news. Alright guys, how's it going? I hope you're doing very well. Now, it's 8:30 on a Saturday morning. I can't be bothered making a tutorial, but there's some really big things happening in the 3D world. And I just kind of want to talk about it, let's put it that way. So the big one, and the real big one, is Unity buys Weta. Now, nobody's seen this coming. And to be honest, I think this is completely strange. I understand from a business perspective why you would do this, but Unity, Weta, it's like chalk and cheese. Now, obviously, there's a big article here. You can soon start producing Weta quality VFX from home, which is a load of bullshit. Right? And the guy picked up on it in a tweet as well. You need to learn these tools. Now, obviously, you're going to start seeing Weta tools being implemented into Unity. They'll have this nice pipeline, stuff like this. Perfect. You wouldn't have put your money on Unity buying Weta. If your money was anywhere, it would have been on either Autodesk, who have been working with Weta, or it would have been Epic, because Epic just buy everything. Epic, you can buy me, I'll sell out, no bother. Fuck, I'll do it for a $5. But anyway, what's your thoughts on it? Because I don't really have an opinion, to be honest. I don't use Unity. Yeah, I don't know, it's a strange one, to be honest. It really is a strange one. Now, just to garner some dislikes in the YouTube video, let's cover Andrew Price. Now, Andrew Price, aka Blender Guru, minted his very first NFT. Now, disregarding your opinion on NFT, it is what it is, right? But he sold his very first NFT, and it went for $6,000, which is pretty good, to be honest. That's a good piece of artwork sold. Let's think about it that way. So, Christmas will be sorted out for Andrew Price. Now, the irony is, this was immediately relisted for $23,000. Now, not to be disrespectful or not to bash on another artist, but if you buy that image for $23,000, or the token rather, you've got more money in sense, let's put it that way. I mean, the scene, it's okay, it was a pretty profound tutorial, it done a lot, but you could just follow the tutorial and make it yourself. In fact, you could probably make it better these days. There's a lot of kind of render issues you can start to see. Yeah, so if you buy that for $23, well done, congratulations. To be honest, you could probably put that towards buying a home, but hey, money's money, innit? And keeping it on the NFT theme, because I like to get dislikes on this video, is Jimmy Fallon. Beeple was on it. Now, this is quite strange as well, seeing a 3D artist on a big show like this. So you can tell Beeple's went from 3D artist to multi-millionaire to now being superstar artist. So well done to the lad, he's worked his way up from the ground. The interview, it was kind of socially awkward at points. Beeple's kind of got that, you can tell his brain's always going 1,000 miles per hour, and Jimmy's showing the artwork and the crowd's just totally unenthusiastic, because obviously it's Beeple and these artworks are fucked up. So yeah, that's pretty much been the news for the day. Do me a favour guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, follow me on Twitter. Life's fucked up, innit? Anyway, you know what to do. Take care.